Hi friends, this is SP Zavarkar from Creating English School, Bead Road, Nipani, Aurangabad. Friends, we are learning mathematics of standard 8 and the name of the chapter is factorization and algebraic expressions. Friends, really I am teaching you very devotedly and dedicatedly. So you should not have to forget subscribe SP Zavalkar on your YouTube and press the button of bell so that you will get all the latest videos for your studies. Friends, we are learning about factorization of algebraic expressions. So this one expression is given and of course this 2x square plus x minus 45. This is quadratic equation. May it be algebraic expression, but it is quadratic equation. For that I have designed 4 to 5 techniques so the children in their future should not forget at all, not make mistake in giving the signs, and generally they committing the mistakes, I know. So for that I have drawn the common conclusion in that, and that is to be noted down. Nipun, you should write it for at least 10 times. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So here I told you first, what is the first point, Nipun? Yesterday I have told you first point means what we have to do.
First and last term we have to write as it is downside.
करेक्ट, मैंने इसलिए तो एरो बताया कि फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म एज इट इज. फर्स्ट और लास्ट टर्म एज इट इज लेने के बाद टेक द कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम एंड मल्टीप्लाई देम. दैट 45 into 2 get 90. Factorize 90 in a such a manner either addition or subtraction should be 1. Means middle terms coefficient. Middle terms has got no coefficient, meaning it has got 1 as a coefficient. Okay, so here 10x 9x. So here about the sign, multiplication we have done, factorization we have done. About the sign, I told you middle term sign is to be given to the bigger factor. Here the bigger factor is 10 and the smaller one is 9. What sign should be given to the smaller one? Make the product of these two, plus minus, mean those signs are opposite. Plus into minus become minus. So minus sign should be given to the smaller factor, means to 9x. Okay, so middle term sign to the bigger factor and to smaller one, product of these two, means when they are opposite smaller will get minus, when they are similar either plus plus or minus minus, smaller will get plus sign. After signing them, after giving the signs, check down that whether we get the middle term plus 10 and minus 9. How much it will be, Nipun?
Plus 10 minus 9 is equal to 1.
Very good, very good. Mean we got, mean अभी आगे का कुछ भी गलत नहीं होगा अभी. Nothing will be wrong. साइन देने में गलती हो गई कि बस खत्म. सिमिलर साइंस है तो प्लस, अपोजिट साइन है तो माइनस, और हियर पेयरिंग देम 2x is common. So 2x is here. 2, why we have taken 2 as a common? Because this is divisible by 2 and 10 is also divisible by 2. And x square, instead of x square take x as a common because x is here, x is here. So plus 10 and minus 9 because 9 is divisible by 9 and 45 is also divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 and only x will be left. 9 what? This. Here, we have committed the smaller mistake. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Mean 10 should be divided by 2, and whatever the answer we will get, we'll write there only. Okay, Tanish, Nipun, you understood it?
Yes, sir.
9 1s are 9 and 9 5s are. But what sign should be there? Minus, minus, similar signs. So here it will be plus. And here only you are understanding that as I got or I found out my mistake, similarly you can also, because always these two brackets must be equal. So here I wrote the x plus 10 and I am getting here x plus 5. So there only I have understood my mistakes and I have corrected it. Similar manner you can do in your regular studies also. X plus 5, out of this take 1. And what is left outside of this bracket? 2x. What is outside of this bracket? Minus 9. So okay friends, in this manner we have finished exercise number 9.1 very systematically. Thank you and have a nice and great day.